A Perth court has been told that a man accused of murdering his business partner Craig Puddy left the state because he feared for his own safety. Cameron Mansell wants to be released on bail while he awaits trial, but prosecutors say there are concerns he'll flee again.
Cameron Mansell has been in custody since he was extradited from Queensland a year ago. He wants to be released on bail so he can prepare for his September trial.
It's his right to apply for bail, as per every defendant's right.
Mr Mansell is alleged to have murdered 45-year-old Craig Puddy. He disappeared in May last year. His body has never been found. The two were business partners, and the Supreme Court's been told the motive behind the alleged murder was thwarted business deals. Mr Mansell's lawyers say that means there's an extensive amount of material they and Mr Mansell have to examine, but he can't do that in prison because he's not allowed access to a suitable computer. They also say they're continually receiving large amounts of other material from police, but with their client behind bars, it's virtually impossible to take proper, detailed and meaningful instructions from him. Prosecutors have opposed the bail application, saying they have concerns Mr Mansell will interfere with witnesses and that he may leave the state, as he did just after Craig Puddy disappeared. The court heard that the 39-year-old shaved his head and used a false name to fly to the eastern states, but his lawyers said at that time Mr Mansell had been free to go, and he left because he'd been threatened and he felt he was a target of persons who meant to do him serious harm. The court heard Mr Mansell was willing to put up $250,000 as part of a bail undertaking. He also had a suitable place to stay and was guaranteed full-time employment.
We're certainly saying that he's got those exceptional circumstances, and that's the matter that was addressed today.
Justice John McKechnie will hand down his decision next week. Joanna Manar, ABC News.